The hidden financial crisis of 2026. There is a silent financial crisis happening in 2026, and it's not unemployment. It's not recession. It's not even inflation. It's paycheck dependency. Let me explain. Across developed economies, surveys consistently show that a large percentage of working adults live paycheck to paycheck, even among middle income earners. Not because they are irresponsible, not because they are lazy, but because they have no structured system for income allocation. In 2026, earning is easier than ever. Digital jobs, remote work, freelancing, side hustles, AI tools. Income streams increased, but structure did not. And when income grows without structure, lifestyle grows faster. Psychologists call this lifestyle inflation. You earn more, so you upgrade more. Bigger rent, better phone, more subscriptions, more comfort. Comfort expands silently. Savings shrink silently. Now, let me tell you a story. Two colleagues, same company, same salary, $4,000 per month. Let's call them Daniel and Marcus. Daniel celebrates salary day. Marcus executes a system. 5 years later, Daniel still feels stuck. Marcus has $70,000 invested. Same income, different paycheck behavior. Your financial future is decided not by your employer, but by your first 24 hours after getting paid. That's what this entire video is about. The psychology of salary day. Here's something fascinating. Neurologically, getting paid triggers dopamine. Your brain interprets money as opportunity. Opportunity creates excitement. Excitement reduces caution. That's dangerous because the most financially important decisions of your month happen when your brain is in reward mode. Studies in behavioral economics show that people are more likely to make impulsive purchases immediately after receiving income. Retail data confirms spikes in spending within 72 hours of salary deposits. This is not weakness, this is wiring, and systems are designed to override wiring. Let's revisit Daniel and Marcus. Daniel's pattern. Salary comes, he feels ahead, he upgrades small things, orders food more often, buys just one thing, doesn't track carefully. Marcus's pattern. Salary comes, within 12 hours, automatic transfers execute, investment order placed, emergency fund updated. He doesn't rely on motivation, he relies on automation. Automation removes emotional decision-making. That's the key difference. Money disappears when it is available. Money grows when it is structured. The four-bucket architecture. Now we build the architecture. Every paycheck in 2026 must be divided into four financial layers. 1. Survival. 2. Stability. 3. Growth. 4. Freedom. This is not budgeting. This is income architecture. Bucket 1. Survival. Max 60%. This is your baseline cost of being alive. Housing, food, transport, utilities, minimum bills. Here's a powerful statistic. In many urban cities, housing alone consumes 35 to 45% of income for average earners. That leaves very little room for building wealth. If your survival bucket exceeds 70%, your financial stress will remain permanent. Marcus kept survival at 55%. Daniel let survival slowly creep to 75% after upgrading apartments. That single decision delayed Daniel's financial growth by years. The first rule of survival: keep lifestyle below income growth. If your income increases 10%, your lifestyle should increase 3 to 4%, not 10%. Bucket 2. Stability, 10 to 20%. This is your defense system: emergency fund, insurance, medical coverage, debt reduction. Let's talk risk. Research shows that a large portion of households cannot cover a $1,000 emergency without borrowing. That's not a spending issue, that's a stability gap. Marcus built a 6-month emergency fund in 3 years. Daniel assumed nothing major will happen. Year 4, Daniel faced job downsizing. Marcus negotiated confidently. Daniel panicked. Stability doesn't just protect money, it protects decision-making quality, the growth multiplier. This is where wealth actually forms. Growth bucket includes investments, retirement accounts, equity, business building, skills, digital assets. Let's talk compounding. If you invest $500 per month at an average long-term return of 8% annually, after 10 years, around $90,000. After 20 years, around $300,000 plus. After 30 years, around $750,000 plus. Not because you're rich, because you're consistent. Compounding rewards time more than income. Marcus started investing immediately. Daniel waited until income increases. Income increased. Investing didn't start. Delay is expensive. In 2026, growth also includes skill stacking, AI literacy, communication, digital leverage, content creation, automation tools. Income growth today depends more on adaptability than degrees. Your growth bucket builds both assets and earning power. The freedom paradox. Here's where most financial advice fails. It ignores human emotion. Money is not only for survival and investment, it's also for living. If you eliminate enjoyment completely, your system will collapse. That's why the freedom bucket exists. 5 to 10%. Planned enjoyment. Travel, dining, experiences, hobbies. Marcus traveled once per year, guilt-free. Daniel traveled impulsively, on credit. Same activity, different structure. Freedom without structure creates debt. Structure with freedom creates balance. The monthly execution ritual, ultra-practical system. Now we combine everything into a monthly ritual. Every paycheck. Step 1, automatic transfers within 24 hours. Savings, investments, emergency fund. Step 2, allocate 4 buckets: survival, stability, growth, freedom. Step 3, subscription audit. Cancel one unnecessary expense monthly. Average households underestimate subscription spending by 30 to 40%. Leaks destroy progress. Step 4, 1% improvement rule. Increase savings by 1%. Increase income by learning one skill. Increase investment by 1%. Tiny increases compound massively over years. Step 5, track net worth monthly. Income feels impressive. Net worth reveals truth. Marcus tracked net worth. Daniel tracked salary. After 5 years, Daniel earned more cumulatively. Marcus owned more. Ownership beats income. Final message. In 2026, the biggest financial advantage is not a high salary, it's structured repetition. Wealth is not built by intensity, it's built by monthly execution. The day you get paid is not celebration day, it is construction day. Repeat this system every month for 5 years, and your financial life will look completely different, because money flows towards structure and disappears in chaos.